Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Chemistry Dojo. Today, we will go through a question under the topic of acidic solution. The question is as follows. A certain monoprotic acidic solution with a concentration of 0.02 mole per dm cube shows pH of 2.4. Calculate its acid dissociation constant. Firstly, we can represent this monoprotic acidic solution as HA. Then we can calculate the concentration of H plus as defined as 10 to the power of minus pH, and in this case 10 to the power of minus 2.4, which is equal to 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3. We can also utilize this initial change and equilibrium diagram in which HA in water will partially dissociate to form A minus and H plus ions. The initial concentration of HA is 0.02. A small fraction of it, denoted as this minus 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3, will dissociate to the right hand side to form plus 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3 for both A minus and H plus ions. And therefore, under equilibrium, we will have 0.016 for HA, 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3 for each A minus and H plus ions. We can then construct equilibrium constant as A minus multiplied with H plus divided by HA. In this case, we can substitute it as 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3 multiplied with 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 0.016, which will give us 1 times 10 to the power of minus 3. And that is the answer to this question. I hope this video can assist you in learning chemistry concept. Please give a like to this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.